Now that the iPhone 16 has been officially announced, tech enthusiasts are shifting their attention to Samsung's upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. One of the most reliable sources for Samsung leaks, Ice Universe, has just dropped new renders comparing the S25 Ultra to its predecessor, the S24 Ultra, and from the looks of it, Samsung has made some significant design changes. According to these renders, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is going back to having more rounded corners. However, it's important to note that these corners aren't nearly as round as what we see on the iPhone. Personally, I'm a bit disappointed by this shift in design because I really love Samsung's rectangular design from the last few years. The sharp edges gave the S series a distinct and premium feel. But that doesn't mean the new design is bad. In fact, it's quite the opposite. It looks sleek and elegant in its own right. Let's dive deeper into the differences between the S24 Ultra and the S25 Ultra. Based on these renders, one of the most noticeable changes is the removal of the thick metal frame that ran through the middle of the S24 Ultra. This design choice has a few impacts. First off, it makes the phone look much thinner, and according to previous leaks, it actually is thinner in reality. By eliminating the heavy metal middle frame, Samsung has managed to give the phone a lighter feel as well. Though we don't have confirmation on the exact weight yet, it's reasonable to expect that the S25 Ultra will weigh less than the S24 Ultra. And even though the overall size of the phone might be similar or even slightly larger, the sleeker design and rounded edges make the phone look smaller. The absence of the metal frame isn't just about aesthetics, it affects how the phone feels in your hand. The S25 Ultra looks more refined with its thinner and lighter body, which may appeal to a lot of users. However, personally, I wasn't thrilled about this aspect of the new design. I was hoping Samsung would focus more on improving battery life, rather than slimming down the phone. A thinner phone usually means a smaller battery, which could be a concern for power users. But until we have official battery specs, we can only speculate on that front. What gives these leaked renders more credibility is that they align with leaks from other trusted sources. Just recently, another well-known leaker shared renders showing the Galaxy S25 Ultra with similar rounded edges, reinforcing the likelihood that this is indeed the final design. Besides the changes in the phone's appearance, we can also expect some under-the-hood improvements. Like with any annual flagship release, the S25 Ultra will likely come with a faster processor. Though details about the chip haven't been fully revealed yet, Samsung will probably continue to push performance forward, possibly with a new Exynos or Snapdragon chip, depending on the region. Now let's talk cameras. Rumors suggest that the camera setup on the S25 Ultra might be one of the key areas of improvement. While we don't have all the details yet, some leaks hint that the cameras could be the most significant upgrade on the device. Samsung has been at the forefront of mobile photography, and wouldn't be surprising if they continue to innovate in this area. However, don't expect a drastic leap in camera performance as the S24 Ultra already has one of the best camera systems out there. Another big selling point for the Galaxy S25 Ultra could be Samsung's Galaxy AI. With the iPhone 16 pushing Apple Intelligence as a key feature, it's only natural for Samsung to step up its AI game as well. Previous Samsung phones already come with AI-driven features, but the S25 Ultra might introduce even more advanced AI functionalities, enhancing everything from photography to battery optimization. This would follow a trend that we're seeing across the industry, where AI is becoming a central focus for flagship phones. Now let's address the big question. Should you wait for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, or go ahead and grab a phone from the current S24 lineup? While the S25 Ultra is definitely shaping up to be a great device, we're still a few months away from its official launch. If you're in need of a new phone right now, the S24 lineup remains one of the best on the market today. The S24 Ultra in particular offers incredible performance, a fantastic display, and top-tier cameras. That's it for today. What do you think about the leaked Galaxy S25 Ultra renders? Are you excited about the design changes, or do you miss the more rectangular look like I do? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit: China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yan also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.